player quality and career there. There's a little bit of coaching kakra.
Okay.
There's a little bit of coaching kakra because suddenly last time America no. You share Algeria 2-0 first half. You about second half no. Rich football a momentum near the ball. Over second half and Kofono edge so omoka. That is where you also switch to game management. You lucky game management now man Kofono take a back. Omo take a back no then they pick the momentum. Omo picking momentum no. We needed to be more reserved. But we go no omo the omo can hear 2-2 now. You could clearly see we were on their front foot. And omo ball no to your right back nechi. And the space in the net a door to the door. And you could clearly see this is a problem of coaching. Coach, what Juma Bakopa say at any point in the game, you must tell the boys what to do. And at the end here say yeah in Pempring, we lack that in the game against Algeria and your board draw. And no game on Rich. You are meeting a Senegalese teamer. Now South Africa action in the first game 2-1. And also about second game, a must win man because about 2 games. Now on winning back it means that on so no move by diamano. And from the blast of the whistle, you could clearly see Senegal for now and say this is their must game. I also winning. You knew you could clearly see how they near pay. Then the red card. As early as the first half. Rich. Osha after Senegal for the red card no. Any about game no first half no about second half now. You will not see Ghana a numerical advantage now on the game. Another problem of coaching. Because you should clearly see so game I boy there Baku elbow with 10 men and elbow with 11. But you number 2 in your penalty right at the death of the first half no. And you can imagine can Senegal the red card. And it gets us some last minute and Kansan Yako half time. Kiabu Bomu Morakra. Bafo could not opponent to no partner Senegal goalkeeper no. A chair diving to his right. Rich. Then we came into the second half. Senegal now no that from Bako in terms of record now what you know. You could clearly see say or Tetayen. Born on here bono. Or say on timini nya to because yeah 11 or 10. But or train for the movements in the game. And again for no yeah but bono in change yeah born able nyina in change nkwa yeah bono ko in change yeah right yeah left e hon kwa na de bono ko now yeah the bono ko ha yeah cross bono by a box in him looking for Yao Gavia. Then you know Senegal for they are very very tough and they were dealing with that. And see, even though down by a man no Rich, we were not creating problem for them. And omoni train one moment. Na minim de Ghana goalkeeper no or ya on the line so. Obia kwepe cross. Yes, the balance of the cross in the year because it is in between who goalkeeper or line no and it maybe a strikers in the fair. But you need to show a certain level of boldness. So anticipation yeah. Unjina online so ama striker and ba stretching for it. Abra it's a cross. Goalkeeper, you have every right to come because it is within your 18-yard box. Goalkeeper ni jina and naso line so na Senegal ni be katum. Rich, ye pre. Ye intimi antika. Na de kumi kwa na say before ye be pon ye game no. Na Algeria for now we've dominated in our first game no. Akose South Africa for no 2-0. They say a group here we cry. Algeria have 4 points, South Africa have 3, Senegal have 3, and they say you're 1 point. The good thing is that Africa will bear 10 slots. And what if you find a 17 World Cup? And what it means is that out of the 4 groups, this is what happens. Your both group matches New Year, the already first and second be automatically qualified for the World Cup. Now, already third, the best third, we will put together for a playoff. Near 2 aka 8 teams now omo Eco World Cup and it does only sign but share the quality of your players now you wanna which we shouldn't be in this situation if say nye no man kitten bia you're lucky and see that is the story of the under 17 so far.
Ghana Premier League with 33 as I say aka one game na ye league no awo Ghana ha na say na result no so ko wie ye media matifie almost Lions e kan num am Heart of Lions almost take no eye mienu and almost say the America say Ghanaian league no aka one game to spare but media America say they are the champions almost e dey so so 2025-2026 enti ahonsam no eno no Sanso and game back one and the Padudo Kawasampa was Nations and a Vision because our two teams were in Nano. Now, Obi say, who fell from relegation fell from us. And before the game, I mean, so I had the talkability around the game, and I was so. Balin in Emuno, Abrante Farouk Mohammed, Ebra, Nations FC, Omukoki Pakwe mistake, and Abrante the far born Kotoa Tenema Vision. Every transition se kaba ko mo entimi ante bechem ti fiomo she kotoka miensa kotokote kan ba ko Samatas etra hardwork kaba ko a omo entimi ante dreams share 3 Gold Stars ete kan ba ko sa game no Gold Stars enya 3 red cards in that game aduana say Young Apostles miensa ama Young Apostles te kan ba ko Karela ane All Blacks so no Karela twa All Blacks kaba ko a omo entimi ante na se say the man league ni ye de pa no. Sir Ocean League actually now of course my di kaka Sir League ni dia mediama na age enti hono dia sorted but omon be call relegation hono as say community na no akwa gina because already yenim say 11 wonders and na Hoho United there oma jomu tikita omo ekọ division 1 nyame nya adoma ye hu omo biem awo the Ghana Premier League ni nemum de obo kasa two teams we amoma kono and na say ayire pa in your league actually na me dem di kind 62 baby and Gold Stars 57 as toso me 51 eduana toso 50 Samatas toso 50 Dreams atoso 49 Kotokotoso 49 Karela atoso nwotwe 49 Bekum Chelsea atoso 47 Edu eye bechem na enter 47 Basaka All Stars omotoso du bako 46 Vision toso du mienu 44 All Blacks etoso edumiensa 42 Lions etoso edunai 42 Young Apostles omotoso dunum 42 and our relegation the one came out of course Nation 41 Hohoi 30 and 11 wonders 13 na say owen komo na yedi aba team back ben na beka Hohoi and 11 wonders no it looks like Lions, Young Apostles, All Blacks amubiano ebetimi aka Hohoi and have 11 wonders so amomako but say uti am vom say tepe All Blacks on mum nebeko.
Yes, All Blacks beko.
Because All Blacks like game oni asante koro nebobo. Nations abeko Karela away which amufu so nation betimi aye bibi was again but for All Black to be Kotoko.
Heart of Lions also ne Hohoi na ebo.
And to ono so nya the points in that. And to there is ono so sorted.
Now Rich, you see me be some cancer same way. Say Ghana. The say there are some undertones a give you the bonibeka say legitimacy to a certain perception because of the past. Any no maybe a title say if you cry there are evidence to it if you also they are just but nina shippy perception. Me per se Monday way. How many sports programs in Ghana? And for the first time, Obeka BB to uphold the integrity of the Ghana Premier League. Because say match be on your suspicions na kosa ye beka say sa no mo we emma e league no integrity ni nisro. Nti it will be very very fair to the brand of the league, you know. Say enka every sports program be en enka ekoso Ghana no will appreciate the level of integrity at this weekend. Ghana League in my memo examples. Oh baby a Young Apostles dano. Omoko away to Doma Ekobo Adriana. and the normal conversation in the Ghana Premier League baby edin komobiano obi abaka so waduana is safe omo nyina oboro na half region ho
to mejem
enti I was say komo boa young apostles mo ka league nim eni sa game na ekọ ne de anya hwe kra no ombebo draw aduana beat young apostles e ofie omo hwe omo ese de yebo competitive match. Number 2, Kara is safe. All Blacks air con ho tamale. Which may have shown say before the game, those who believe in conspiracy ne perception will say, oh, once Kara is safe in the Ghana had a do ya ho enti obego no ho ama All Blacks abehye because no anything to lose enti no job yen to na una open points in yam fam. Rich late in the game, Kerala beat All Blacks. They didn't care whether Omo relegation or Omo Kerala is safe. They beat them. Now Abrankesi here. Nations any vision Obia anye safe. But a nations never of ye. And the perception the Ghana Premier League say the only points the pass or born if they are rich ochu with time. Everything will go against their wayside. What did we witness? Vision abeshe nations were Abrankesi. I don't even want to add the chase nana baby any ghost stars edema mediama. Any say and can normal circumstances the perception will be any dreams so any relegation battle be and can baby any caution no keep pressure no on mediama. But they beat them. They beat them woto. And conform ye bold even to come out before this weekend games, to highlight the conspiracies, and also social media and go for say, oh, someone in Maguase. Send an more can ambemu. Before you even speak, we need to spare moments and appreciate this weekend results in the Premier League. Rich, Nayan Kanche teams say this is how you play a league with integrity. This is how a league with integrity must be played. Every game must be competitive on its merits. And then baby will be that and papa. It takes a lot of integrity away from the league. But this weekend results, and the GDA being integrity and can wait and say your people game will be competitively. Yeah, we are not the one we fair. The Awaji League no fair. The one places to play in any other competition because of standards, fair. This is what we have been preaching. And yet you didn't come up and yet you kasa. Let's play the matches fairly and competitive. Say this weekend, this is how you build a solid league brand. I want integrity. Let's invest in something like this. I reach when the results were trickling in. Now, you watch Premier League. Rich, now Leeds United. Any West Ham will bought to say on Chimano. The last time, look at boy Leeds in Tottenham Hotspur boy. Who Leeds you are safe? Tottenham Hotspur relegation. Chin now on the 1-1. Ayanam no funny fair. We even ask what is in for them. There's nothing in for them. To them, a league match it must be played to competitive standards. And we can say we watch teams playing competitive standard football in the Premier League. And see, we are not being fair to the brand of the league because I get called away. Your conspiracy theories, you're drawn. Kebaba can say, oh, you are. Yanka say, and for the first time, they've upheld the integrity of competitive league. And I will say, your ball, mama. So, Rich, they will. You see, it's easy to say nations for now, but born I will share. They were not successful, but you can never say they didn't try to win the game. They did everything. For me, Adiaba Kwana a lack in my nations, a leadership. The Americans say on Rich, born and normal born. And when you be back say, look, the air and I, but we need to calm down, kakra. Na a little bit of composure in front of goal. Yebeti me a winning game when I say betieka. Number 2, Rich, penalty ni buy. Ujiri say Razak Simpson. Enye Mexico game no okobona watu kwina. Ena owa on the pitch. No matter how the goalkeeper want to redeem himself for the error now, of course, leading to Omugo no Mukonsidiano. Rich, now also we catch and say, look, but match that here, bono. 1 point in a woman, as soon as than who individual redemption. So why a mistake am I saying, you know, penalty about to Yama more, not every team won self, no, and you're bigger than the whole team. Any you win and also draw be a benya, you had the point to be the best survival into him. For some not to change. Let's get the best person who can take this penalty. No go say my unity no than who individual. And then the normal Koyamoa, you better be go by it when we get the results. But there was no leader on the pitch. And it's all there. Penalty the banner goalkeeper never fire. You could clearly see a you be a crab. But why they stepping in to say no? Yen calm it down, let's think and do the right thing. Into erratic and I'll come up on it, and look at the save from Ametekwe. I feel look, injury time now, referee to answer. The referee realized where me man Kofo Mubu 200 minutes cry and they can me empty. And I Omumokoe. H Yabobo media for Abaso. They've been very, 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 very good this season. Yes, along the way, you be praise akwesi ado ni baby any go stars. Uni sen kenyo mo Rich ekenya competition wo league we mo. Sen kenyo ni to kotoko ne house so a. Eka league we nka media ma twese ko omu je krama league ni ye basa antentem. But baby any go stars came in, gave a very very good fight and unim. I told them that is what Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi muka yenti ase say, look, the consistent comparison and they bring it the best out of the two players. Rich, time na media mako best 6 games I no muntimi wini bina. Baby any so mu close gap no. Me so say when baby any came very very close. Na edu maybe omo overtake media man and my media man say no. Baby a win will be and we need to bring it back and yes sir, we will lose the league. And since then, we media performance. And to Coach Ibrahim Tanko, President Moses Amapaka, and other people, so I'm sending you messages. I'm all responding. I think so they've done a very, very good job. And I like the media presence of Mediama on social media, especially. They've really, to say, Rich, almost soak this league championship, to their benefit in terms of enhancing image. They've done the right recruitment. They brought in coach. I'm very, very happy for Tanko. When say, one of the coaches and go for you say, or another shot at the Blasters, but with receive, ne certification, na on team in na kasa on the national team so Guano be coachy. To prove himself, he need to come to the local league and prove to Nkofo say, ye can say or above or more makani na and empower bejitu so be coaching media man. Now he has solidified his foundation as a Ghanaian coach. Rich, yeah, mom about so they've done a very, very good job. It's congratulations to media and very, very good job done by Kosedu and baby any go start for giving us competition. Our league game Kotokoni has the least said about them the better.
Josh, you realize yema for the brem na